Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And today I'm going to walk you through how to change SIM cards on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Or that might be the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, or it might be the Samsung Galaxy Zeta Flip 6. However you pronounce it, this is going to be how we change SIM cards on the device. It's pretty simple. Just bear in mind that if you have a case on, you'll probably need to take that off for this. So you can see that the SIM tray is positioned to the left of the cover display when the device is closed. All you need to do is put your pokey SIM tool in here, and you can use a paper clip as well. Just make sure you get one that's the right thickness. You can take a SIM card out, and in this case I'm going to put another one in. Sadly, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 does not support, in this case, does not support microSD. So this is a tutorial on just how to get the SIM card into your device. And in case you're wondering, and just this is something that does come up, is yes, there is a physical nano SIM card. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flips also supports eSIMs. If you'd like to see a tutorial on how to install and set up an eSIM, please do leave us a comment in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you and likely make a dedicated video on that. But anyway, this was just a quick tutorial on how to change SIM cards in the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Thanks for watching if you made it this far into this video. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, folding phones, and pretty much anything else we think makes the travel experience better. Again, thanks for watching if you made it this far, and goodbye from me.